Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Paysafecard. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use a Paysafecard, purchase a voucher with a 16-digit PIN from a retail outlet or online, and then use the PIN during your checkout on partner website. Alternatively, you can create a Paysafecard account and top it up with vouchers to make payments. So first of all, talking about it in detail, you need to buy a Paysafe card. Now, to pay with a Paysafe card, select Paysafe as the payment method during the checkout on a partner website, enter the 16-digit PIN and confirm the transaction. However, if you're using a My Paysafe account, then you need to simply create the account itself, top up on your account with Paysafe vouchers, and during checkout, log into your My Paysafe card account and pay with your balance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.